standard.
Yeah. Jason's parents had him here just so they could disappoint themselves.
So did
Quite
Leon.
sure my mom is disappointed always.
Two guys on stage, both from Nashville. That's just rare.
It is. It is.
Very rare.
We got all sorts of Tennesseans on stage.
Leon over here, he's only 23 years old, but that's what this town will do to somebody.
It is hard to put up with.
6 years of playing music and he looks like that.
Leon, you're looking good though, I gotta say. He's
Look at
always
his
got his
boots.
boot game,
He's
man.
got the
Leon's
great
boot
kicks.
game is always on point.
You should get you some lobster.
Get some chicken boots.
Why do you tell me what I need to do?
Well, I just said you should.
Now she's over here criticizing my wardrobe.
No, I
She's
just
like, you
said-
know, your blouse is okay, but you need some other boots. Look at Shane over there. He's like, look, man.
You got the best West shirts.
Hey, man. Shane says I got the best, worst shirts, and I'm like, I've also got the best, worst jokes. You know, it's one of the things, one of my running themes. I've also got the best, worst voice. It works like
Oh,
that too.
Lord.
Oh,
No.
oh, no.
You haven't even seen his Rooster shirt yet.
Well, let's come out.
Probably have.
Saving that for a special occasion.
I love them everyone.
That one is an Australia shirt, I bet.
So we have Australia here. We have Minnesota, don't you know? Where are you girls from? Massachusetts. And so we have Massachusetts. We have one of the original 13 colonies. You know, so that's very nice that you come down there. Yeah. And then we have a Yinzer, so that's good. Yeah. Well, Kari, have you ever been to Pittsburgh?
No, sir, I have not.
It's a nice, lovely place. Western PA. Here we go. I've known some painted ladies that sparkle in the night, country girls that love the lover's moon. Some I never really knew, though I always wanted to. Some only met once in a room. Some said they liked my smile, others of them stayed a while. Others left me on the run. This is the only way I have to say, oh, I love them everyone. Big, little, short, or tall, I wish I could have kept them all. I love them everyone. I can thank them for the charm, holding me in their arms, and I hope they had some fun. Here's to the ladies in saloons and living rooms, summer nights that lasted until dawn. Here's to the memories, everyone's a part of me. Oh, I love them everyone. Big, little, short, or tall, I wish I could have kept them all. I love them everyone. I can thank them for the charm, holding me in their arms, and I hope they have some fun. man.